Earth isn't the only dumping ground. 10,000 pounds of dead metal is on a direct collision course with the moon.
Over a year ago, this SpaceX upper stage successfully hoisted a pair of private lunar landers into orbit before violently detaching its payload.
It should have been nudged into a safe solar orbit. Instead, the powerless booster was hijacked by chaotic gravitational forces, slowly dragging it off course. This Wednesday, it slams into the moon's Einstein crater at 5,400 miles per hour, 7 times the speed of sound. Hitting with 3 tons of TNT force, the impact will carve a massive 90-foot crater, blasting dust miles high. With zero lunar wind, the debris will hang for minutes. NASA and international orbiters are already pivoting to capture the destruction. This isn't the first time. In 2022, a dead Chinese rocket carved twin craters on the far side, officially expanding our lunar landfill. A new crater isn't the problem. Scientists are terrified of rogue debris striking future populated lunar bases. With the US, China, and billionaires racing back to the surface, deep space is becoming a crowded highway with absolutely zero traffic control. The next era of space exploration requires dodging our own wreckage. Should space agencies be fined for crashing rockets into the moon? Comment below and DM this to a futurist.